Okay, hello everyone and welcome. Guys, this is the first week of trimester 2. Guys, this is our Schoology page right here. The first page you come to. If you see up here, this image, it says Algebra 2, Semester 2. If you click on that in your courses, you'll get to this page right here, okay? I just want to show it to you and talk to you. Some of you maybe haven't had me before, okay? The ones who have had me, if you have friends who've already had me, they can help you with kind of how we do it in class, okay? Guys, this is the folder they always talk about, this red folder that has all the daily materials folder inside it. And you can go there if you want. It looks like this. This is this week. Guys, assignments are for the entire week. All right, it's an asynchronous week. There's always 2 folders inside each daily folder, okay? I'm going to go back to the very beginning here, though. Guys, the way in my class, if you want, because this folder gets a little messy as it gets really big and long. Every day what I do is I just make a link. You can start right at this top page. I tell students click on the top link twice. So here's the top link, click on it. And here's the next link, click on it, okay? It's only one day, you end up in the same place. Okay, just so you know, that's the best way to get there. Use the links page. Okay, I'm going to go back to the beginning just to show you something. This is the page and times for our Zoom meetings. Okay, guys, I like to have 2 every day that we have class. Okay, they're not very long. I'm not going to keep you in there long. I want to have 2 of them. All right, they're like 5 or 10 minutes tops. Okay, I'm using the same links that we used first trimester. All right. Now, the first week, there are no required Zoom meetings. But if you guys want to talk or you need something, we can pop into one of these meetings, one of these rooms. I'll send them to you, okay? I'll send you a link. If you want to meet, send me an email, you guys, okay? Maybe we'll have some Zoom meetings anyway. Just you want to stop in and say hi, talk to your friends. That's cool. All right, so let's go back. Let's take a look at today. This is what I need you to do. You have the whole week to do it, okay? The top is the green folder. There's always a video first that you watch. Okay, it's the main video. There's a slideshow in there where I go through a PowerPoint presentation. And the copy of the video that is in this, a copy of the slideshow that's in this video is right here. Okay, if you want to open that up and look at it. This is simply a copy of the slideshow that is in this top video. Okay? Each folder has 2 puzzle piece assignments. Guys, this is a little bit dull right now because I haven't published it yet. Okay, but I'll publish it for tomorrow. You have to do the 2 puzzle piece assignments. That's what goes in the grade book. All right? The top green folder has the notes assignment and the summary. They're relatively easy. Okay? Once you complete the summary once, you can watch this video. And I do the notes assignment and the summary kind of with you, okay, to help you right now so that you start off with a real good grade. I kind of do it for you here. Okay, every puzzle piece assignment you can take 3 times. All right? You can't just watch this video, though, right away. You have to submit this summary at least once in order to watch this video. That's what this check mark is, okay? That's the top green folder. The second folder, it used to be green, but this try we're just going to call it orange. It's the orange folder, okay? It's the second one that you have to go into. Our class is kind of divided into 2 parts every day. Here this week, the second folder starts with a video. Normally it won't. Normally we do the vocabulary together in the second Zoom meeting each day. That's what we do in the second Zoom meeting. But since we're not having any Zoom meetings this week, no required Zoom meetings, I made a video. right here that goes through the vocabulary. This puzzle piece assignment, again, is required and goes in the grade book. There's 2 puzzle piece assignments in each of the folders. The orange folder, they're kind of spread out. Okay? Watch this video, take the vocabulary assignment. Then, this is the main video in the orange folder. It's a worksheet. All right, it's like a practice exit ticket. And this is a copy of the worksheet right here that's in the video. You don't have to turn in this worksheet. It's not required. See, it's not shaped like a puzzle piece. It doesn't go in the grade book. Okay? But if you watch this video and practice using this exit ticket worksheet, that will help you with the exit ticket. The exit ticket puzzle piece is the most important assignment every day. It weights higher toward your grade. And I'll go through that later this week. I'll send you guys a video. Just here today, I want you to get started and kind of learn how we do things in my class, okay? Again, if you've never had me before, this might seem a little new to you. But again, this is our daily folder. Every day it looks like this. The green folder, there's a video and 2 puzzle pieces that you have to do. In the orange folder, there's a video and 2 puzzle pieces that you have to do. Okay, and there's some other things in there. You guys, those of you that had me first try might remember we used to have a gray folder in the middle of these. But nobody ever went in there. So I just got rid of it, okay? There was never an assignment in there and nobody ever went in there. So I just got rid of it. We'll have 2 folders every day. All right, 2 folders every day. A green one and an orange one. Okay? Guys, that's it. If you have questions, go ahead and email me. It's okay. I'll be around this week. All right? So I can help you. It's okay. I know the teachers are busy right now, but hey, I'm here for you. All right? So you need help getting started? You want me to do maybe the exit ticket kind of with you? I'll do it. All right? So let me know. That's it. Thanks.